नेक्स्ट चैप्टर 8 के अंदर देख रहे हैं ऑफेंसेस अगेंस्ट पब्लिक ट्रैंक्विलिटी। तो अगर सबसे पहले शुरू होता है द होल स्टोरी ऑफ अनलॉफुल असेंबली। 5 or more people constitute an unlawful assembly when they try to overawe by criminal force any government authority, when the government authority is trying to exercise lawful power. Second, to resist execution of any law or legal process. Thirdly, be committing a mischief or criminal trespass or any other likewise offense. Fourthly, when they try to obtain possession of any property or to deprive any person the right of enjoyment of that property. Fifthly, when by criminal force or show of such force they compel a person to do something that he is not legally bound to do. Explanation: an assembly which was not unlawful may subsequently become unlawful assembly when they try to do such a thing. Section 142. Being a member of such an unlawful assembly is when you are aware of the facts and intentionally join such an assembly. The punishments may extend up to 6 months. In many special cases, it extends much further. 144 section says joining unlawful assembly armed with a deadly weapon can be punishable by up to 2 years. Section 145, joining or continuing in unlawful assembly knowing that it has been commanded to disperse even though you are without arms is punishable by 2 years. Rioting is an offense in section 146 when force or violence is used by the unlawful assembly, then every member is guilty of the offense. 147, punishment is up to 2 years. 148, rioting when armed with a deadly weapon is punishable by 3 years. 149, every member of unlawful assembly guilty of offense committed in prosecution of common objective. The idea is that if you go to the house of some person and with the idea that you have to draw money out of it, कोई उधार वापस लेना है, तो अगर if you then go and beat up that person or do anything else which harms the person, then this act is in continuance with the common objective and every member will be punishable for it. It is well settled that once a membership of an unlawful assembly is established, it is not incumbent on the prosecution to establish. Prosecution को establish करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Whether any specific overt act has been done by the accused, mere membership of the unlawful assembly is sufficient. 5 लोगों का गिरोह जा रहा है, आपको हर एक के बारे में कुछ प्रूव करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Every member is vicariously liable. Vicariously मतलब किसी और के एक्शन के लिए खुद लायबल होना. सेक्शन 150, हायरिंग और कनाइविंग टू हायर persons to join unlawful assembly is again an offense. Section 151, knowing or joining or knowingly joining or continuing in assembly of 5 or more person after it has been commanded to disperse, it is punishable by 6 months. Section 152, assaulting or obstructing public servant when he is suppressing riot is punishable by 3 years. Wantonly यानी अपनी मर्जी से giving provocation with intent to cause riot is again punishable by 6 months. Provocation verbal भी हो सकती है. Section 153A, promoting enmity between different groups on grounds of religion, race, place of birth, residence, language, etc., which is prejudicial to maintenance of public harmony. Whoever by words, committing an act, organizing an exercise, movement or drill is harming the public harmony, like we discussed above, is committing an offense which is punishable by up to 3 years. In if it has been added that if you do this in a place of worship, then the punishment may extend to 5 years, 5 साल के लिए punishable होगा. Mens rea यानी intention is a necessary ingredient under section 153A जो हम ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं. सेक्शन 154 कहता है ओनर और ऑफ ऑक्यूपाइड owner or occupier of land on which an unlawful assembly is held, उस ज़मीन का मालिक या possessor is liable to fine. Similarly, liability of person for whose benefit riot is committed, जिसके हक में हो रहा है benefit, is also culpable for fine. उसको imprisonment तो नहीं है हालांकि. Section 156, liability of agent of owner or occupier for whose benefit riot is being committed, is again liable to fine. 157 makes harboring persons hired for unlawful assembly offense. Of course, knowledge has to be there whether such persons are brought to join an unlawful assembly by 6 months or fine. Section 158, being hired to take part in such assembly is an offense. If you go armed, it is a further offense. Section 159 is a fresh change from all the unlawful assembly. 2 or more persons, 2 से ज़्यादा लोग अगर publicly लड़ाई कर रहे हैं, they are committing an affray and affray is punishable by a punishment up to 1 month. तो सिर्फ public के अंदर लड़ाई करना से आप 1 महीने के लिए जेल जा सकते हैं.